This message is for Ndokwa and Ukwuani people. Oku kana nke kuboku anyị nde wuri anyị nde Ndokwa West na Ukwuani na Ndokwa East. Election eru and nna afere ndị kpọrọ nwe leader n'ime Ndokwa ka Ndokwa West ka Ndokwa East ka Ukwuani nọ na-aga. Ere na adịghị na mmadụ nọ in 8 years as governorship. A sitting governor for 8 years. Omu iforu ni weri ye. Opo were onye ozo tie zuru eshoshi are bia ne ono zuru ani ono na elewu on the name so we second industrial park o wa le okpekoro ni no se iforu ni ebe o were na industrial park eje ebe o no ma so je ke zugbo ani na ebe o bia Ndokwa West na ebi ni zuru ani enya okoro na aja ya na uku na emeri campaign ni ya aka mma onu bu ndi iwe and iwe ka igbu unu ndara support e ka ifekenu because I had one zuzu ebo no we say na campaign bia ba campaign na ebe ndo ndi iwe bonye nọ na sitting governor for 8 years then ya kunu na ebu na ya aka mma unu bu ndi iwe so unu ndana ije nko ya unu ji na eje shede jikemeni ndo ogbome ya funa akụkọ unu na-eje na arịọ nri ya soro ndị zo ezigbo position n'ụlọ na arịọ nri o eka kwuru na akwanyere ndị a na mmarụ na wa akwa ya n'ụnụ ndị ekpuru ime woni election campaign aga ebido bịane ka ọkụ pụrụ na anya ndị iwe.
That our brother from Ukwuani land said that when Okowa was the governor of Delta State for 8 years, what did Okowa do for we Ukwuani people? Nothing. He said that after Okowa completed his 8 years governorship tenure, that Okowa put someone to be the governor of Delta State to replace him. And before Okowa left the governor seat, that he stole money. That money is the 1.3 trillion naira that EFCC accused Okowa of stealing. He said that Okowa came to Ukwuani land and stole some of our land in the name of he wants to build an industrial park. He said that that same Okowa that did not do anything for we Ukwuani people, that same Okowa that was accused by the EFCC of stealing 1.3 trillion naira, that same Okowa is the one that some Ukwuani people are campaigning for to go back to the Senate 2027. And after that, he started placing curses on those Ukwuani people that are supporting Okowa. He said that those set of Ukwuani people that are supporting Okowa are evil people. This is to tell you that we have youths in Ukwuani land that are so wise and intelligent to know what is good and what is bad. Okowa, when EFCC accuse say he steal 1.3 trillion naira. Okowa will not do anything for we Ukwuani people when he be senator and when he be governor. Now some Ukwuani people they campaign for Okowa. If you see them for Facebook, you go to see comments from some Ukwuani people. They talk say Okowa will go back to the Senate in 2027. If you go for TikTok, you go see some Ukwuani people. They talk say Okowa will go back to the Senate in 2027. If you go for Twitter, the same thing. Those set of Ukwuani people, I call them fools. You know, say this our Ukwuani brother, they place curses on those set of Ukwuani people where they support Okowa to go back to the Senate in 2027. That our brother said that the only thing that some Ukwuani people know how to do is to be clapping and be praising politicians from Eka, Oshimili, and Anyocha land. He said that that is the reason why you will hardly see an Ukwuani politician occupying a higher political office, because the only thing where they sabi do now today need down for other politicians from other regions in Anyoma land, just like they are doing for Okowa. All the politicians where they Ukwuani land now, where we say now Okowa impose them on us. Now Okowa tell them say you go be the House of Reps member they represent Ukwuani people. You go be the Deputy Governor of Delta State. All those people that they dance to the tune of Okowa. Now all those politicians, now this our Ukwuani brother, they tell all those things so. Say they have sold Ukwuani land to bad politics. You go hardly see Ukwuani politician. They won't try to dey at the top. They not they do like that. Their own na ewo Okowa nnadani Okowa Ekweme. They go dey shout Ekweme like people whenever hear the word Ekweme before. Ekweme will not give una light for more than 20 years. Ukwuani land not get light. The way Ukwuani people they complain about light, you go see say na only light be the problem wey we get for Ukwuani land. We have so many other problems that are ravaging Ukwuani land. As I did, they tell my Ukwuani people say Okowa is not the right person for we Ukwuani people. Say nothing Okowa keep for Senate when they go collect. And they tell them say stay clear from Okowa. Okowa is a manipulator. Okowa is only trying to go back to the Senate to secure his place as the Oga Kpatakpata in Anioma land. He won't go Senate, make he use am as him retirement plan. Make he just dey for Senate. So that any agenda to create Anioma state to join Southeast, he go stand against am. When are we Anioma people going to see a politician like Senator Ned Nwoko who will fight so much to see that Anioma state is being created? Senator Ned Nwoko made everything possible by lobbying other senators in Nigeria, telling them why we need Anioma state. And after that, 97 senators in Nigeria out of the 109 senators that we have supported the creation of Anioma state and the Southeast zoning. Tell me politician for this Anioma land where go fit do am. No politician for Ukwuani land go fit do am. No only Delta state they get out. Who know Ukwuani politicians for National Assembly? Before you go come out dey clamor say you won't give your people a state, you go know the kind of level where you don't reach for politics. You think say to see political giants like Senator Ned Nwoko dey easy? Senator Ned Nwoko na political giant wey be say he won't give we Anioma people a state. Those Anioma people they talk say they no get road for their community, just like we Ukwuani people wey no get road, we Ukwuani people wey no get light for more than 20 years, we Ukwuani people wey no get state university, federal university, we no get federal hospital, we no get state hospital. So far for Ukwuani land, wetin go make Ukwuani land grow, wetin go make Ukwuani land develop. Now for we Ukwuani people to have our own state, which is Anioma state. That is what Senator Ned Nwoko is trying to give to we Anioma people. But instead, some Ukwuani people are campaigning for Okowa, saying Ekweme we go back to the Senate in 2027. Ndenzuzu and when Ukwuani Ndenzuzu. Why this our Ukwuani brother not going to swear for them? They deserve that swear. May swear they follow them. Failures. Okowa they won't go back to the Senate to remove Senator Ned Nwoko so that he will kill the dream of Anioma state creation and the Southeast zoning. For this Delta state where they see, the oil producing areas are Ukwuani people, Isekiri people, Ijaw people, Urobo people, and the Soko people. Okowa know wetin him dey benefit from this Delta state. That is why he no want make Anioma state comot join Southeast, because if Anioma state join Southeast, all those things where they benefit from, e no go fit dey get am again. If we get Anioma state, the revenue where Anioma state go dey get no go be like the revenue where the full Delta states dey get. If Delta state dey get 500 billion naira as revenue, if we get Anioma state no go dey get that kind of amount. So because of that thing where they benefit, they no want to make Anioma state become a separate state, because if Anioma becomes separate state, Okowa no go get power over Urobo, Isoko, Ijaw, and the Isekiri people again. That is why he wants to make sure that Anioma people remain in Delta states, so that anything they benefit from that Delta state, you go dey benefit from that thing. If to say Okowa not get selfish interest when they protect, why is he against the Southeast zoning of Anioma state? As Senator Ned Nwoko they do it, Okowa not fit do, he started fighting it. Those Anioma people they say, we want Anioma state to be in the South. Okowa don't even want to make they create Anioma state for South. Because you know say once they create Anioma state, that big thing where they enter full Delta states, you're not going to reach them again. It just be like as Nigeria be now, Biafra they clamor to go. It's just people there they talk about Niger Delta Republic. If Biafra go, Ijo go, they can become separate countries from Nigeria. Nigeria is gone. The country Nigeria not get any resources again. In fact, Nigeria as a country own don't finish, you don't end. Because the crude oil and gas where Nigeria take survive is in the land of Ndibo and the land of other people in the south. So Nigeria government go prefer for Ndibo to remain in Nigeria so that they get that thing where they get. If Biafra go, Nigeria will be left with nothing. So now that same thing where Nigeria they do Biafra, now that same thing now Okowa they do Delta states. Instead of Anioma people to go, let me do everything possible and make sure that they remain in Delta states so that I will be getting that thing that I'm getting from them. What if that's when you get that 1.3 trillion naira where EFCC accuse them of? Oshobole talk say waiting Buhari send give Okowa that time na 250 billion naira. If they say we don't already get Anioma state that time, that money not go reach 250 billion. Waiting they give those states that time na 100 billion according to Oshomole. But because of say Delta states they produce huge amount of crude oil and gas. Now why the money where Buhari send give Okowa reach 250 billion naira? So if we get Anioma state, the huge amount of money where they enter Delta state, e not go dey enter again. Now that now Okowa they protect. But those Ukwuani people that are saying let Anioma state be in the south, they are not the reason reach all this place. They think say they're wise. Now that we think say we wise where so many Ukwuani people they do now keep Ukwuani land backward. If you are having conversation with some of them, the way some of them will talk, you they feel say these people the way that they talk and I say now so it go be. No mind them, nothing there. People will not get light for more than 20 years. Wait till they won't talk where go stand. They will be saying, what are Senator Nwoko that you are supporting done for we are Anioma people? Senator Nwoko is trying to give us a state. Let's support Senator Nwoko and make sure we get that state. Politics is a game of interest, not a game of love. And not they play politics in the name of love. Because I say, I like this politician where no matter how he be, make I support him. You not do anything for Ukwuani land, make I support him. I don't play politics that way. My interest in this Anioma state movement is to see that we Anioma people have our own states. To see that the clamor for Anioma state to be created since 1938 is being actualized. To see that Ukwuani land becomes great. Not only Anioma state go fit grow Ukwuani land. Those Ukwuani people they sleep, make una wake up. Your problem na southeast. Make them not zone us go southeast. Southeast go do us this, they go do us that. Tell me any region or community for southeast where they complain say Ndibo don't swallow our village, they don't occupy everywhere, they don't change our dialect, they don't do this, they don't do that. None. We never hear such a thing. You know what, just Southeast because Southeast is called Igbo. You don't want to be called Igbo. Stupid arguments. Yeah, arguments. Arguments where we say if they talk body go start to the pepper because that is rubbish. Now nonsense that they talk. All those things that be the reason why make some kind of people that talk say they don't want Anioma state to join Southeast. Why Okowa not go fit the manipulation na why we say some of una not get sense. If you be Okowa the person that say don't make Anioma state join Southeast, say instead of Anioma state to join Southeast, make remain for Delta, say you don't have sense, you don't get sense. You don't have sense. Now you dey suffer pass, now you don't get sense. In this Anioma land, now Ukwuani dey suffer pass. Ukwuani just wear suffer like clothes. You don't get light for more than 20 years. Is that not suffering? Suffering they pass like that. Aja should they pass like that. That one I just like to. Una not get federal police, una not get state police. Una not get federal hospital, una not get state hospital. Is that not backwardness? Job not the Ukwuani land na. Okada work na full Ukwuani land. Okada work and farm work na full Ukwuani land. Why they go understand what we dey talk? Why we say the only thing that they know how to do is to stay in Ukwuani land morning till night. They're not they travel to see things with their eyes. Those Ukwuani people that don't say they're not be Igbo people. So many of them never go Anambra State before. They never go Enugu. They never go Ebonyi. They never go Imo. They never go Abia. Now Ukwuani land they just dey all through their life. One of the major problems that we are having in Ukwuani land is exposure. So many Ukwuani people are not exposed. Okowa now na they campaign for. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Why this our brother not go to swear for now? Why you not go swear for now? Where be say, una go dey do wetin dey carry Ukwuani land, they go backward. Some Ukwuani people go dey talk say, na ancestral causes they follow Ukwuani land. Wetin our forefathers don't do. Now keep Ukwuani land backward. Na lie. There's nothing like what our fathers did. Our ancestors did nothing. Our ancestors in Ukwuani land are saints. They are whiter than snow. The reason why Ukwuani land is backward is bad decision making, lack of exposure, not knowing where we belong. That is the problem of Ukwuani land. As an Ukwuani person, you supposed to take your brain, know, say, the right place for we Ukwuani people to be in this country called Nigeria is the southeast. And that is why we Ukwuani people are expected to embrace this slot that was given to us by our Igbo brothers in the southeast. When we Ukwuani people speak our dialect, our brothers in the southeast, they hear and understand. When they speak, we Ukwuani people, we hear and understand. Our cultures and traditions are the same. Our way of life is the same. The same music, the same dance, the same deities. Name it. We Ukwuani people are the same people with our brothers in the southeast. But you go see some Ukwuani people, they talk say, we are southeast people. We not be brothers, we are Benin people. We are Igala people. We are Yoruba people. The same Benin people where they use our ancestors for Ukwuani land as sacrificial lambs for Benin land. Now our ancestors that they kill, they give juju. Now that same Benin, when they talk say una be. All our ancestors for Ukwuani land now run, they run come up from Benin. None of them they bear Benin name. Check our ancestors name for Ukwuani land. All of them were come out from Benin, Igbo name that they bear. The name of my own ancestor that ran out from Benin is called Chime. He's an Igbo man, not a Benin man. So now this thing I be the exposure where they talk in the sense that some of them are not exposed to their actual history. And that lack of exposure now make you go see some Ukwuani people that say they are not be Igbo people, they are not be brother with Igbo, they are Benin people, they want to be with Benin people. The same Ukwuani people, Oshimli, Anyocha and the Ika people were agitating to leave Midwestern region and have their own state, which is Delta State. When we Anema people there for Midwestern region, now so Anema people they complain, say about Benin they marginalize them, say they won't get to their own state. That was how Midwestern region was divided. Edo State go their own, Delta go their own. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. Let's support Anema state creation for the sake of Ukwuani land. Now you know get light, now you don't get anything for Ukwuani land. Yet you they take decision where go backward the more. Support Anioma state and have a state. What are the benefits of Anioma state? Una know the benefit of Anioma state. You all know the benefit of a state. But you want to push the benefit of a state away just to remain in the south. Ukwuani youth, wake up and support Senator Okowa for Senate 2027. Say no to Okowa for Senate 2027. Okowa does not mean well for we Ukwuani people. Any Ukwuani person where they support Okowa for Senate 2027, that Ukwuani person is one of the evil fashioned against we Ukwuani people. But they will not succeed. Person where EFCC accuse is steal money. Person where be say when he be senator, when he be governor, he not do anything for Ukwuani people. Now some Ukwuani people they campaign for Ndenzuzu. Ishia Gwale.